Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Intercom from WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Intercom from your WordPress site, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Click on Install Plugins. Locate the Intercom plugin in the list. Once you find it, click on the Deactivate link below the plugin name. After deactivating, you will see an option to delete. Click on the Delete link. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete the plugin. Confirm the deletion by clicking Yes. Next, navigate to the Settings section in the WordPress dashboard. Look for any Intercom settings or options that may still be present. If you find any, click on them to access the settings. Check if there is an option to disconnect or unlink your Intercom account. If available, follow the prompts to unlink your account. Now, go to the Appearance section and select Theme Editor. Search for your theme's footer.php file. Look for any scripts or code related to Intercom. Carefully remove any lines of code associated with Intercom. Be sure to save any changes made. After that, it's a good idea to clear your website cache if you are using a caching plugin. If you are not using a caching plugin, clear your browser cache. Finally, visit your website to ensure that Intercom has been successfully removed. Check for any residual elements or scripts that may still be loading. If everything looks good, you have successfully uninstalled Intercom from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.